In this video, I'll be showing how to configure the 24-volt DC power supply for the example CNC system project. First, click on 24-volt DC consumer view in the projects tree. The control electronics, the DC link, the SINUMERIK 1 accessories, and the ET200SP are all present in this view, but none of them are connected to a 24-volt power supply. The slider on this bar allows you to zoom in and out with the items that are shown in the view. First, click on the New Power Supply button. Then, at the bottom of the screen within the Properties section, click on Connect, and then All. Double-click on the power supply. Click on the Power Supply button, and click on Add Power Supply. There are many different power supplies to choose from, but we will first add some important filters. For input voltage, choose 3-phase AC. For output voltage, choose 24 volts. For output current, choose 20.1 amps to 40 amps. Choose DIN rail for mounting type, screw type terminal for connection system, and choose automatic restart for design of short circuit protection. These are all just example filters that fit our current project. And it also narrows our search to one power supply, and we will select it by clicking on it. The redundant configuration section allows for redundant design of the power supply system if desired. The selective protection section allows for protection monitoring of each branch of the 24-volt system if desired. The power failure buffering section allows for the addition of buffer modules ranging from milliseconds to seconds. And finally, the result section shows the selected power supply. Click on Apply Selection. We now see the chosen power supply in our network view, and we also see green check marks for the devices that are listed in this consumer view. This concludes the video on configuring the 24-volt DC power supply for the current CNC TIA selection tool project.